guys! Hope you all are doing well. Today we will be reading your favorite baby shark story, Pink Fong, Baby Shark. Merry Christmas, Baby Shark! It's bedtime on Christmas Eve. Mommy Shark sings Baby Shark a lullaby. Close your eyes. When you wake up, Christmas will be here. Good night, Baby Shark. But I can't sleep, Mommy, says Baby Shark. Daddy Shark rocks the cradle back and forth. Santa Claus won't come until you're sound asleep. Sleep tight, Baby Shark. But I still can't sleep, Daddy, says Baby Shark. Baby Shark gently closes his eyes and suddenly he is in a winter wonderland. What a beautiful place, says Baby Shark. Look up there. Rudolph and his friends are pulling Santa's sleigh. An excited Baby Shark follows Santa. Santa, wait for me! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great! Places, everyone! We have to wrap all the presents and deliver them tonight, says another elf. Baby Shark is happy to see Santa's elves. What is everyone doing? Asks Baby Shark. We are very busy, says one elf. Hush-a-bye, Baby Shark. Grandma Shark also helps Baby Shark fall asleep again. I will read to you, she says. Baby Shark's eyes shut tight in no time. Huh? Grandpa Shark? Baby Shark says as he wakes up. Grandpa Shark smiles. I'll sing you a song. Sleep some more, Baby Shark, he says. Long ago, in an ocean far away, Baby Shark is back in the winter wonderland. He spots Santa again and says, I want to help too, Santa Claus. Ho, ho, ho! Will you help me deliver Christmas presents to our ocean friends? Asks Santa. 1, 2, yo-ho! Baby Shark shouts. 3, 4, here we go! Santa's elves shout. With everyone working hard together, they load the gifts onto Santa's sleigh. Now it's time to deliver the gifts! Jingle, jingle! Santa Claus and Baby Shark ride their sleighs across the night sky. Let's deliver these gifts before morning comes, Santa laughs. Baby Shark sings a happy Christmas song. Baby Shark do-do-do-do-do-do, it is Christmas do-do-do-do-do-do. All done! Daddy Shark gently wakes Baby Shark. It's Christmas morning, Baby Shark. Thanks for your help, Baby Shark, Santa says. It was a holly jolly Christmas Eve. Come look, Baby Shark. Merry Christmas! Santa must have visited Baby Shark last night, too. Merry Christmas, everyone,